I've started. No, I didn't. Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Yeah,
What's up?
we're
What's
playing
up?
Zombs Royale.
You know what is weird? I wasn't working, but when I started recording, I was all fine.
Guys, we have no friends.
Hi, Infect Talent.
What?
There's only 2 teams, you know. Because there's only 9 players. Oh, hi, Princey.
Oh, he has the pickaxe that I want. I want that pickaxe.
Oh, let's ask him for a date.
Bye-bye, weirdo.
Bye.
Anyway, guys, we'll just be waiting for players. Who broke everything on the map? Seriously. No fun for us players, you know?
Probably the players who broke everything on the map.
Should we leave the lobby?
Why?
Let's leave lobby.
Let's leave. This map is too stupid.
Ready up.
Alright.
Going again.
Please
Don't give me this.
Oh my god.
It's the same lobby.
We're the same people. Hi, player. Oh, Infected Talent left. So the player. And so am I. It's all you poopala hee.
Guys, look at my skins.
You wanna
This is
see
so
my
happy.
skins?
This is new.
I only have 3.
This is new.
These 2 are new.
This is new. This is new. This is new. Yeah, the rest are old.
And that's stupid skins. I hate you.
Why? Guys, he wants me to play on his account.
Wait, squad. Invite friend. Invite this friend.
Hey.
Invite. Ready up.
No. We're doing VIP. This is a VIP video for a reason.
Hey, there's only like 50 players. Get in here.
Oh, I left.
Oh. Yep, I'm out. But that's the VIP. Join. Ready.
Don't give me the same lobby.
We're in a different lobby.
Yeah, it's starting soon. Apparently that old game
I can't
started.
find him. Hi, remember me? I'm Bushy Face.
I'm happy.
I'm
Fortnite.
You should end with the crowd.
No, you are idiot. Fortnite does not suck. Okay, guys, so
You're the
let's see if
VIP.
Cloud is.
You're the VIP.
Ooh,
So
we're jumping at the end, so we don't die.
I'm spacing it, but I'm like, oh, you're the default team.
Aww.
Where are we jumping?
Even you're a default, I'm guessing.
I got a skin. Those are no skins.
Hey, my last default team was actually pretty good. So
Let's hope they're good.
there's no one here. We jump.
After Infected Talent.
You guys
Are
coming?
those just AFK?
Ugh, AFK losers.
Losers. I knew no skins.
What? Did I just get nothing?
Grenades.
I think I just got nothing from a chest. Chest, why you rip me off? Reverse Empire's great. Pull me! Aye! Are you trying to hurt me?
Kinda. No, Jan, I didn't take that SMG. Anything good in here? Hey, don't close the door behind me. Jan ain't
Ooh,
good done.
a purple SMG. How do you drop items, you know?
Any Fortnite Oh, you guys are prepared. Hey, we got an enemy!
And we saw one
enemy
over.
here! Hey, I got no guns, get over here, will ya?
Players dying.
Goodbye.
Oh my god, they're VIP. He's overpowered.
Oh, whoa! Come
Kill
here!
him and don't let him kill me.
I know. Come here, you.
I'm
here.
out of ammo.
Hands off him. Ah! No, I'm gonna die. Help! I'm falling into stars. Help me. Revive me already. Revive me.
We can't. He's gonna shoot at us. Oh my god, this. Okay, guys, we're gonna lose the first round of our thingy. Yes!
So you mean I'm less important? No! you never existed. I didn't open doors. I'm stuck in here.
I don't think I'm gonna make it very far.
Now we're watching an idiot play.
I'm
Real
not.
fun.
I'm gonna
You
die
guys-
sooner or later.
Yeah, hopefully. I can see your health going down.
Is there anyone else on my team?
There's Populator, the YouTuber who just died. Oh, besides him, you have Player.
Is he dead or alive? Cause okay.
He's
Go
not
spectate
dead.
him.
Alright.
Wait, I was heading the wrong way. I'm so dumb.
Oh, I found him.
I was head.
Oh, I'm watching Panda. So stupid.
Who's Panda?
I don't know.
I was heading the wrong way from the storm.
I'm
I'm alive and the gas is moving
Guys,
again.
I'm forced to watch Panda. Come to Panda. He's over here.
Ah! Hey, I have a storm circle to get into. Okay, I feel somewhat safe.
There's a dude with a drone gun. Well, not actually.
I have no ammo whatsoever.
Report Player.
Ooh, grapple her.
Teaming, cheating, bad name. Oh, I'm allowed to do that? Bad name? What's the name? Panda. Oh, okay. Let me spectate another name. I mean, James. I'm Player. I hate this dude.
Who are you spectating?
Panda?
Tell me if they come near me.
I mean, Rice Gum. Did you
Rice
do
Gum?
another grappler?
Yeah, I did.
And do you have 2 AKs?
Yeah, I do.
Are you for serious?
No, I'm not.
There's an airborne. Oh, those dots are detonate. Go my team, Pandas.
Ah!
Dead Panda.
Oh,
No,
that's
why am I
Panda's
spectating?
teammate.
Oh,
You spectated the guy who killed me.
okay.
Next round of the VIP.
VIP, time on low.
This guy's not yet coming. I wonder what he's doing over there.
Huh? What? I'm in.
Oh, okay. Round.
I'm moving my mic really close.
The first round was a failure
Obviously.
because no one of you followed me.
Oh, what? We should not follow
Why do you keep having the same skin over and over again?
No. Last time I was bushy.
You were?
Yeah, last time I was bushy.
Well, I was Scarab Beetle, which is wearing helmets. I mean,
Alright, guys, you might not see me in for a second. I don't know why. Blah, blah,
ooh,
blah.
that guy looks like Sanctum. Guys, I have no idea what happened. You are the VIP!
Exactly. I'm the, okay.
I was wondering who the VIP was.
Listen to your VIP.
Jump off at the end, okay?
Oh, I'm far away from the
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Jumping!
Where are you going, Poopulator?
Oh, I'm all the way here.
Ooh, Ninja got a flamethrower. Ooh, nice.
Level, let me better follow
Ooh.
Ninja.
This is good
Oh,
stuff.
no! Ah! Save me!
I'm using a heliable at the moment.
Don't get him, Ninja!
Are you dead yet?
No, Ninja's doing it. Ninja! Go, Ninja! Go, Ninja!
Ah, I'm gonna steal your kill, dude.
Don't get him! Yeah! Oh, you're dead. Come here.
Help
I'll
me.
revive you. Oops, I was doing R. Hey! There. Good job, dude. That job was an enemy.
Happy. Grappler! Oh, wait. Thank you, dude. However you drop those items, I don't know. Are you just picking up everything?
Huh? I can't find any battle loot.
I have a shotgun, I think.
Oh, I got a tac shotgun.
Tacs aren't good.
Yeah.
Ooh, give me this AR.
Whoop. Oh, this better have something good on it.
An Uzi.
A hunting rifle. Ooh. Oh, okay. Ooh. Who wants a semi-auto sniper?
Me.
Nope, I stole already. You joined their dead grappler. Ah!
Ooh, minis. Nice.
Oh, replace the shotgun. Oh, wait, no, it's a Tron. I'm cheating this.
You can't use heliables, you know.
What? That's all. Ah!
Is a storm coming?
Oh yeah, it is.
One! Break! Oh no.
I'm grapple hooking.
Okay, I can finally switch to a grappler.
Ah! Three, what am I doing? Ah!
Oh, I made it a safe zone.
You did?
Oh my god! People!
Oh, who cares about you? Care about me.
I'm in the storm and I'm dying.
Oh, what are you doing in that case?
GG, man.
Follow me. I'm your leader.
Oh, I expected an idiot. Now what's Ninja?
Oh, what's Ninja doing? Where's Ninja?
He's
Yo,
in
Ninja.
Celestial area.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Ninja.
Oh,
What's
there's
up,
another
what's up?
idiot with me. I like the Sanctum thing he's wearing. He's worried. For
Why?
some odd reason.
Ghost?
I see.
Where?
Oh, in there.
In there?
Yep, there are ghosts in there, alright.
Ah! Ghost! Kill him!
This guy doing anything? Oh my god, these are the people who killed me.
Fuck.
These, oh, flamethrower. Nice move.
Ah!
I like that.
I'm out of shit. What is the heck? I'm just not
You know, I always run out of, oh.
I'm already out of
Ninja's a pro.
Woo! I'll take that. I'll take that. Oh, wait.
Ninja's good. But he's almost dead. I don't think he realizes that.
Ah!
Oh, he has a med kit.
Legendary AR.
Oh my god! Moon Rabbit Squad, I say. Ninja's dead.
Ninja! No!
It's just you.
Where's Ninja?
He's going into the storm. Smart move.
What? Ah!
So they can't get his loot.
Ha! I got one. No.
And now you die.
Yay! That's a
Next. Well, we've both been the VIP, so end the video, I guess.
Yeah. Worse you than me, wow. Alright, let's see how it is to be a servant. Well, we've already been there, but let's see how it is to be both servants. Really? The same one again? And no, I don't have 2 stints only. I showed you my stint collection. There's 3, alright? Not 2.
I want to show...
Oh, there's Dan TDM. We're obviously gonna win. Right, Dan TDM?
Nah.
Yay, whatever. Guys, you can't do emotes.
Me?
Yeah, you.
I can.
Did you finally learn to? Oh,
See,
there's
there's
a
my-
VIP. You!
Me again.
I was kind of hoping Dan TDM would be the VIP.
Okay, everybody follow me.
What are you doing, you idiot?
No one's following me.
Oh, I'm here, alright.
They're supposed to be protecting me.
Ah! Ah!
I'm with random people.
Bye, Dan TDM.
I see some other person's VIP
Where
out
are
here.
you? Wait up for me. I'm on the way.
I have an Uzi.
Wait, I'm here.
Ah! There's a guy and I'm fighting his whole squad. So I'm
here.
bailing.
Ah! Run! No, run! No!
Oh,
Why
I'm
do you want
VIP.
me? No! Why? I'm coming to you as quick as I can. There's a dude behind me.
Oh, you're the only one.
Oh. Hi. You better don't kill him. I'm almost dead. You have any healables?
No.
I hate you. I have literally no gun. You know how poor I am?
There are 2 golden chests right here.
I found one already.
Ooh,
Ooh, a P90. Oh, you got a P92? Oh, no, you got
Let in! Wow, horrible stuff.
Yeah.
There's a dudette.
Where?
Switch to my shotgun. Oh! Flip, man! What are you using? I got him!
Oh, come on. I'm almost dead now.
There he is, roaming about.
Go kill him. Play.
Die, get shot. Oh, yeah, ran out of
Go
ammo. Get dead, dude!
What? Oh.
Oh my god.
He was useful. So, what you did? I got Dracula.
Look at what I have.
Oh, Oops, that's not what I wanted it to be.
Guys, to the original thing. Oh my god. Who was here before me? Ah!
What happened? I'm on
Bomb
my way.
exploded at me.
Oh, what? Where?
I threw a bomb and it exploded at me. Oh no.
Okay, that's just sad.
Ah!
No! How dare you?
Yeah, look, there's a legendary AR.
No!
Oh no.
There's a team outside. Stay.
Let's let them kill each other.
Yeah. Oh. Ooh.
Any shotgun ammo?
I got a semi-auto sniper. Ooh, I need an RPG too. I need a rare. Yeah, that's good. There. I'm prepared with everything I need. How's your loadout?
You can have a look. So,
Good.
shall we take the hotel?
Put you away, my madam. Oh, this is dude. Yo, duty. Oh, crap. Ah!
Ow!
Oh, I eliminated. Oh, yo.
Hello?
I got a mythic. Where the hell are you?
I'm trying to find you.
Oh, alright, wait. I'm here.
Oh, hi. So, what mythic is it?
It's an AR.
I need me some shotgun ammo.
Yeah, you just snatch all those stuff there, alright?
I see somebody who's dying.
Well, you better go kill him.
Oh,
You're like,
he's-
nope. Oh, there's a VIP. I see you. Ah!
Where is he?
Oh, I think he died because I see that medikit. Oh, I need that medikit. Ow, crap.
I think he escaped.
Eep. No, wait, eep. Oh, I don't know what to do. 6. E. No, wait.
I'm low on health.
6. 8.
Ah, the storm!
Oh, no.
Yeah, the storm's moving. I'm out of here. Move it.
We're in the safe zone.
Yeah.
Let's just keep on moving. Oh,
hi!
Come
That's
here,
why
you.
one of those explosions killed him.
You'll find out. Did you kill him? Ah!
Nope, not yet.
No! I'm dying!
I'm in a battle.
Go, my liege. I'm stupid anyway.
Anyway,
Yeah, mythic too! The same one I had.
guys, hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah,
Remember, like and
to
subscribe.
And
And
what else?
ring the bell.
That little belly.
Yeah. Peace out.
Hey!